Hello Excel enthusiasts! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to extract the nth word from a text string in Excel. Here's how you can do it. You can use the following formula. Equals, trim, open parenthesis, MID, open parenthesis, substitute, open parenthesis, select value, comma, double quotation, space, double quotation, comma, REPT, open parenthesis, double quotation, space. Double quotation, comma, 100, close parenthesis, comma, open parenthesis, nth word, minus, 1, close parenthesis, asterisk, 100, plus, 1, comma, 100, close parenthesis. Press Enter key. It extracts the third word brown from the text string. You can adjust the formula by changing the number in cell B2 to extract a different word. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily extract the nth word from a text string in Excel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials.